My church was one of the first that I coerced into selling the product. Now, if you're thinking of selling it or you're trying to revamp your program, my question to you, and you have to ask yourself, is why? Why are you doing this? What does it mean to you? And you need to do some homework so that you can articulate that to anybody in your group. Because if you're in a church, you're going to have to talk to the session or you know, one of the bodies, the governing bodies, to get permission to do that. And you have to make your case. And you have to have the why of it before anybody's going to, you know, take you seriously. So if you're thinking of it, like some of the reasons, is it because it's the best coffee or chocolate in the world? Is it because you need to raise funds for a specific mission project? Because as a fundraiser, it can be very successful. And instead of holding a bake sale or instead of, you know, having a meatloaf dinner, you know, think about that. Is it because you're looking for an international mission? Easiest mission you're ever going to sell somebody on. All you have to do is drink great coffee and eat great chocolate. Is it because you have an organic food club that's always looking for high quality food? I've had groups that are that kind of, you know, foodie people, and they can't find great coffee. So, is it because you've chosen to seek out small farmer products wherever you can, whether it's your local farmer's market? It's tough to find coffee grown locally. Believe me, at my farmer's market, I've had people walk up to me and say, "Did you grow all this coffee?" And I said, "Yes, I did." "No, I didn't." So there's a real educational piece in there. Is it because you've chosen to seek out specifically small farmer products wherever you can? Is it because you're an absolute coffee snob and won't drink any other coffee except for Midnight Sun because you've tried coffees all over the world and you can't find one you like better? Yeah, that's just me, but hey, it's all legitimate. All of those are legitimate. You have to really know the why. You know, it's easy to jump on a bandwagon, but if you can't back it up, people aren't going to take you seriously. And they're going to enjoy a candy bar now and then, and that's it. But if you develop a relationship with the people in your church or synagogue or group, it becomes a whole different thing.